You missed your stop at Saint Michel, laughing as the door slid closed. I said, guess fate just changed your night. You shrugged and said, I hope so. We walked along the riverbed, paper cup of cheap red wine. Your jacket draped around my shoulders, August staring stolen time. How did the traffic fade to quiet? How did the city blur away?
We have just received reports of an explosion at the Eiffel Tower.
There are reports of a massive explosion at the Statue of Liberty.
Breaking news, Big Ben has been destroyed.